Hello guys, welcome to my channel Bytecode Pandit. I have taken a lots of interviews for React.js developer and asked a question, what are the use cases for use memo and use callback? But unfortunately some of them only know about the definition. So today in this video we are going to discuss about when and how to use callback and use memo, and also will solve some real life problems. So let's have some code. So guys, first of all we have to create a project in React.js. Guys, I have an argument with my friend that he was thinking that we have to wrap each and every function in use callback, which is passing as a props in child component. But that is actually a far from the actual truth. The point is we have to wrap a function is in use callback if the child component have a more complexity and a more complex UI to render. Okay, let me show you with some example. Okay, so first we have to create a child component. Then we have to create a local variable called array. Give the entry of 100 elements with value 1. Create the element which we need to render. So render the element on UI using map. Let's import the child component into parent. Now we have to create a props which will take a function. Now let's create a function get value in parent, which we need to pass as a props. Now bind on item click with dev click event. Now we have to console whenever the child component get re-rendered. Now we have to create a state count which will make the parent component re-renderable. Interpolate it into UI. Let's create a button which will update the count value. Okay, so we have to interpolate it. Cool, it is working. But what happened? Why it is not consoling? Okay, so first of all we have to wrap it into memo. Why still it is not consoling? Okay, let me give a look. Okay, so I have passed a dependency which we don't need to because we want it every time. Yeah, you can see in the console the child component is getting re-rendered, right? and it could be a problem if right now it is 100 element, but suppose that it could have a 1000 10,000 element, then it will be a problem for performance. Okay, so now we have to wrap this method into use callback. Now click on it again. Okay, still it is rendering. Okay, so I don't pass the dependencies into use callback. Okay, so you can see here the component is not getting re-rendered, right? So now we have solved the problem. So now let's discuss about the use memo. Let's create a local variable array like we created in child. And fill it. Okay, so now we have to define another variable, reduced value. Assign the value using the array. Now let me also compute again, so that we will get notified whenever it computes. Yeah, we don't provide any fill. Yeah, send it now. Okay, that's great. Okay, so you can see in the console we are getting computed again, right? That is the problem, because it could be more complex. So now how can we prevent it? We have to wrap the whole array thing into the use memo. Yeah, problem get solved. Now you can see here the child component is not getting rendered. Sorry, that's computed again is not rendering. So now let me show you more example that what I personally resolve in my real life scenario. Let me create a component, show mode text toggle. Okay, we have to take a prop text. Okay, so I am going to create a text toggler. Let me just pre-inform you. Okay, so we have to create a state which will tell us that whether we have to show complete content or the half one. We have to create another variable, truncate text, in which we only assign the handed words of the actual text. Okay, so we have to pass dependency text. Now if show more is true, we have to show the complete text, otherwise it will show the truncate text. Okay, so show more, in that case we will show only less, otherwise we will show more. Let's export the component. Now let me import the component in parent component, right? Okay, so file is not in the right directory. That's fine. Okay, let's include in above the child component. Okay, let's pass some dummy data. Okay, click on more. Okay, why it is not working? Let me give a look. Okay, so we don't mention the click event. Okay, so we have to change the value of show more whenever we click on p tag. Yeah, it's working fine. So guys, this is all about the use callback and use memo. I hope the video was informative. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up. If you want me to cover more topics in front-end technologies, you can comment below. You can subscribe my channel and hit a bell icon.